Hello everyone, this is basically our booking and appointment management system, which basically focus on three major areas. One is the admin, the second is the organizer, and third is the admin. So the admin has right to edit and delete the credentials of the organizer and the user. The organizer has only right to create and service and accept or decline any appointments which has been scheduled to the service that he has been created. We can also assign any of the other organizer to that particular services too. And the end user is basically us. End user is basically the customer which will be booking an appointment to the services that has been created by any of the organizers. So let's start it. This is basically our home page. Now we will get started now. Now first we will see the admin dashboard. So we will log in as admin@example.com. Admin 1 2 3. So here the admin dashboard has been basically created right now here. So these are the two, one of the customer and one of organizer has already been created. So now I have any of the right to change any of this thing out right here. The changes have been saved here. Now if I have to delete this, so I'll delete it. So that has been deleted. If I have to create a user, so now let's start with Yashi. Now Yashi@gmail.com. Now I am creating Yashi as an organizer. So create user. Now Yashi as an organizer has been created. This is the analytics out here. So once we will add more data, the analytics will be shown out here. We'll log out. Now I will log in as an organizer, Yashi@gmail.com. So now as an organizer, I have been added. So this is basically the overview. This is the calendar. Once any booking slots will come, it will be shown out here. And this is my services. I will create any of the services. So now okay, so now this is Yashi as an organizer. I will create it. Now I will create any of the services out here. So any of the service I want, service name, description, the price we want to add, duration 30, buffer time 10, human based. So now here we have two types. One is human based, one is resource based. So first we'll create with a human based, and this we have location type that we want to appoint as an in-person or an online meeting we want to create. So in-person capacity. The slots has been booked. Now if we want to add any of the questions, we'll add it text. Again if we want to add any more questions with some options out there, we'll use drop down. Then we'll create a service. Now we will create one more service with resource type and online meeting. Buffer time 20. Resource type. Now what type of resource it is, we will write out here. And we will do online meeting, capacity will increase it to 2, no questions we want to, and then we will create service. So here the two services has been created. So now I can also share this link to anyone who I want to, and I can also assign. Right now we will create one more user, we will assign it to it. I can also edit and delete. So here will be shown only of the bookings. First we will sign out. Now we will create an end user out here. So now the OTP has been sent. So here is the OTP. OTP has been come here. 209783. Now we'll verify the code, and it has been verified. Now this is basically the dashboard of the end user. So now we will find the service out here. This is the service which we created right now here. Google book here, the select date 24, any of the slots you want, the address, any notes you want to mention, the questions which were selected by the organizer, and the card number. We are using Stripe, and now we will basically use test user card. Now we'll pay and go. So now the booking request has been set. So we'll also book this one. 4/14/20. Card number, will again fill the details. Now we'll pay and book. Yes, so booking request has been sent. So now in my bookings here, I can view the ticket. This is basically the ticket view, where this ticket will, whenever we will scan it, we will get an ID, and this will show at the entrance. Then we will go for the appointment, and it will be confirmed that you have booked the ticket. So now this is basically a profile section where we can save changes, edit one. We have to, if change the password, we can do. This is the overview. We'll sign out. Now we will. I will log in as an organizer. So now in appointments, I have added. So when the user, we created 2 appointments out here. So now I have confirmed the booking. I have declined the booking. Okay. So now we'll go to mail verification. We'll retry it. So now the confirmed meetings confirmed meeting has been found. So here that the status has been confirmed, your meeting has been confirmed, and also whenever so here are all the notifications that your meeting has been confirmed or not, and this is that your meeting has been cancelled. So here, whenever the appointment is confirmed in meeting view, so here the mail will come that hi, your mail has been confirmed. Here will be the meeting link where he can join on that particular day on that time slot, and he can add that to the calendar, and he will get a reminder on the day of the appointment that he has to join this meeting and do the appointment. You can directly add it from your calendar. Done. Then these are my services. This is a calendar. So here in this calendar we can see that the 2 booking slots have been shown out here. These are the overviews. The total bookings is 2, total active services 2, appointments, confirmed read, settings out here. Now we'll sign out here. Now we'll go to the admin. So now here I can see the analytics of the customer and the organizers. Now I have to see the customer's analytics more. So I will click on this, and here the 2 services which he has created has been come, and then here the customer that is booked into the service has been selected out here, and he can view that on this particular service this particular user has been appointed. And I am, as an admin, I also have this power to delete any of the appointment which I want. Now in analytics, see here we can see the busiest hour has been come, top providers has been come, and the top revenue generators has also been done. So this is basically the admin panel. Now we will again log into the so now here I can see that my one booking has been created, cancelled, whatever it is. My bookings, cancelled, view ticket. Because as an admin, we just cancelled one booking. That's why that second booking has been gone. So that's it. This is our appointment and booking management system, which main part is we implemented payment with Stripe. Then we had used mailer for all the mail things for to send notification that your service has been created, your appointment has been booked, your meeting link when you are joining the meeting, your verification code, or you want to reset any password. So this is it. This is how our role-based access system appointment management system works. Thank you.